Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock UPPCS। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं घटना चक्र मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री पूर्वावलोकन, जो कि यूपीपीसीएस एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, विथ रेफरेंस टू द हिंदू नायब वजीर ऑफ औध सल्तनत, which of the statements are correct? Raja Tikait Rai was अर्थ मंत्री of Nawab Asaf-ud-Daula. Usually there were certain Hindu caste who were placed at the high positions in the state of Nawabs of Oudh. So select the correct answer. Here both the statements are correct. Raja Tikait Rai was Earth Mantri or Diwan of Nawab Asaf-ud-Daula of Oudh. Usually certain Hindu castes were placed in high positions in the state of Nawabs of Oudh. Example, Earth Mantri of Nawab Asaf-ud-Daula, Raja Tikait Rai, Raja Jholal and Nawab Safdar Jung appointed Raja Naval Rai as Bakshi and Deputy Governor of Bengal. Which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the battles? So your correct answer is B, Battle of Ambur, Plassey, Vandivash, then Buxar. Battle of Ambur 49, Plassey 57, Vandivash 60, then Buxar 64. Name the French commander who was defeated in the Battle of Vandivash in 1760. So your correct answer is Count Lally. In the Battle of Vandivash, British defeated French. Year was 1760. Famous Battle of Vandivash in 1760 was fought by the British against whom? So here correct answer is French. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? B. Battle of Vandivash, French West East India Company. Explanation is very important guys, so आप लोग इसकी go through हो जाना. Which of the following opposed British in India vigorously? Marathas. Then next topic, regional states, Punjab and Mysore. The kingdom of Ranjit Singh included. So here answer is Srinagar. To which misl did Ranjit Singh belong? Suker Chakia. Again same question repeated है MPPCS 2021 में. Capital of Kingdom of Maharaja Ranjit Singh was, here answer is Lahore. At which place did Raja Ranjit Singh set up the Adalat-e-Ala? Answer is Lahore. Maharaja Ranjit Singh set up the Adalat-e-Ala at Lahore, which heard appeals from the district and provincial courts. The Treaty of Amritsar was concluded between Maharaja Ranjit Singh and Lord Minto. Ranjit Singh got famous Kohinoor diamond from Shah Suja. Who among the following has said, God intended me to look upon all religions with one eye, that is why he took away the light from the other? Here correct answer is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Which of the following statements is correct in the context of the Treaty of Lahore 1846? The Maharaja left all his territories beyond the river Satluj forever. The Maharaja left his rights over all the forts between the Satluj and Beas rivers in favor of the company. The English army could no longer pass through the Sikh state. Here correct answer is first and second one. क्या टर्म्स थे वो देख लो. The Maharaja ceded all his territories across the Satluj river forever. सेकंड वाला भी दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, दे प्रॉमिस नॉट टू इंटरफियर इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. The six were required to pay 1.5 crore rupees as war indemnity, etc. The successor of Maharaja Ranjit Singh was. So here answer is Khadak Singh. Successor कौन था महाराजा रंजीत सिंह का? खड़क सिंह. Who was the last king of Sikh Empire? Here correct answer is Dalip Singh. Same question. Last king of Sikh Empire. Correct answer is Dalip Singh. Which one of the following statements is correct about Dalip Singh, the ex-Maharaja of Punjab? He died in Paris on 23 October 1893. यहाँ पूछा है correct. He was cremated at Nasik. He never renounced the Sikh faith. He had never visited Russia. Correct answer is A. Died in Paris, right? Remaining all statements are false. He accepted Christianity in 1853 AD, but later in 1886 AD he was converted into Sikh religion. और वे रशिया भी विजिट किए थे. He also visited to Russia. He was cremated in England, right? Regarding Punjab merger, which of the following statements is false? On 29 March 1849, the Governor General announced that the state of Punjab had come to an end. All the territories of Maharaja Dalip Singh became part of the Indian British Empire. Dalip Singh was given an annual pension of rupees 2,50,000. None of the above. So here क्या पूछा है? False पूछा है. गलत statement, तो answer is C. For his relatives and also the maintenance of state's employees, his pension was decided not less than 4 lakh rupees and not more than 5 lakh rupees, right, per annum. Who among the following was not a member of Board of Three to administer the state of Punjab after its annexation? Not a member of Board of Three. So here A and D, H.M. Eliot, Robert Montgomery. ये दोनों यहाँ पे दिया हुआ यूपीपीसीएस का क्वेश्चन मेंस 2013. Lord Dalhousie appointed a set of triumvirs (Board of Three) to manage affairs in Punjab after its annexation in 1849 AD, in which Henry Lawrence was named as president. अब देखो, जो तीन लोग थे बोर्ड ऑफ थ्री में उनका नाम अच्छे से याद रख लो और किस पद पे थे. हेनरी लॉरेंस प्रेसिडेंट, जॉन लॉरेंस एंड चार्ल्स ग्रेनविल मैंसेल were included as members of the council. H.M. Eliot and Robert Montgomery were not part of this council. Who emerged victorious in the First Anglo-Mysore War, 1767 to 69? Here correct answer is Hyder Ali. He fought bravely and captured Mangalore in 1768 and reached Madras in 1769, where English in helplessness had to sign the Treaty of Madras in April 1769 on the condition of Hyder Ali. Who among the following established a modern armory in Dindigul, Mysore in 1755? Here correct answer is Hyder Ali. British general who defeated Hyder Ali in War of Porto Novo, Saraire Cotte. Tipu Sultan set up his capital at Srirangapatna. Tipu Sultan set up his capital at Srirangapatna and became member of Jacobin Club. It was founded by France officials as a branch of Jacobin Club of France, and also planted the Tree of Liberty as a symbol of the alliance between France and Mysore in Srirangapatna. He sent his delegates for maintaining fruitful relations with contemporary foreign states and getting help against the British. He established embassies in foreign countries on the modern line. Who among the following Indian rulers established embassies in foreign countries on modern lines? So here answer is Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan established embassies in Iran, Istanbul, Afghanistan, France, etc. on modern lines. Tipu Sultan defeated the British army in 1780 at Polilur. Siege of Arcot was done in 1780 by Hyder Ali. After that, a British army led by Colonel William Bailey was defeated at Polilur. Englishmen made the Treaty of Srirangapatna with Tipu Sultan. When did Tipu Sultan die at war with the British? So here correct answer is 1799. ये MPPCS का क्वेश्चन है. Which of the following is correctly matched? First Anglo-Mysore War, Hyder Ali was defeated. नहीं, ये wrong है. Second Anglo-Mysore War, Hyder Ali defeated the British. No. Third Anglo-Mysore War, Tipu Sultan won the battle and did not cede his territory to British. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, Tipu was defeated and was killed in the thick of battle. Here answer is D. अब यहाँ मैच करना है. ट्रीटी ऑफ इलाहाबाद तो 1765. तो जहाँ 4 है उसको देख लो, एक ए में दिया है 4 और एक सी में दिया है. ठीक है. अब है ट्रीटी ऑफ मैंगलोर. बी में भी 2, ए में भी है 2 और सी में भी है 2. 1784. ट्रीटी ऑफ सालबाई 1782. देन ट्रीटी ऑफ मद्रास हो जाएगा 1769. Begum Samru constructed most eminent church at Sardhana. Begum Samru constructed the most eminent church at Sardhana near Meerut. European Walter Joseph Reinhard Silbertel was the husband of Begum Samru, who offered military service to many states. Begum Samru became Empress of Sardhana after the death of her husband. पूछा है कि नॉट करेक्ट. सो पहला ही स्टेटमेंट गलत है. अली मर्दान खान इंट्रोड्यूस द सिस्टम ऑफ रेवेन्यू फार्मिंग इन बंगाल. ठीक है. महाराजा रंजीत सिंह सेट अप फैक्ट्री एट लाहौर, अमृतसर टू मैन्युफैक्चर कैनन्स. ठीक है. नॉट करेक्ट. ए वाला गलत है. देखो, लाहौर अमृतसर. सवाई जयसिंह गॉट ट्रांसलेटेड यूक्लिड्स एलिमेंट्स of geometry in Sanskrit. He established observatories in Mathura, Ujjain, Jaipur, Delhi, and Varanasi. Tipu Sultan provided money for the construction of the idol of goddess Sharda in Sringeri temple. Credit for introducing revenue farming in Bengal goes to Murshid Quli Khan, not Ali Mardan Khan. Here, अच्छा ये पूछा not correct. Sorry, not correct. A is not correct. Consider the following statements. Which of the statements given above is correct? सही पूछा है. In the third battle of Panipat, Ahmed Shah Abdali defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Tipu Sultan was killed in the Third Anglo-Mysore War. Mir Jafar entered in conspiracy with the English for the defeat of Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah in the Battle of Plassey. Here, third statement is correct. In the Third Battle of Panipat, 1761, Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated the Marathas. Tipu Sultan was killed in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War in 1799 AD. During the War of Plassey, Mir Jafar conspired against Nawab Siraj-ud-Daulah, supporting Britishers. तो चलिए दोस्तों, आज यहीं तक रखते हैं। आप सभी रिवाइज करिए घटना चक्र को। थैंक यू।